Welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman, and in this lesson, we're going to learn how to play the original version of C.L. Hanon's exercise number 11 from the Virtuoso Pianist. Let's come to the piano to get started. Notice that both hands begin in bass staff, left hand on low C, right hand on bass C. And here's this opening three-note pattern that we've very often seen in other Hanon exercises. Be careful of the fingering. Notice the left hand is 5-3-1, while the right hand is 1-2-5. So it's that finger 3 with the 2 that can throw some people off sometimes. So play this as a block, and then try the first 3 notes like this. And then from there, it follows what we're used to seeing with Hanon. This time, what we're focusing on is finger 5 and 4. Because that back and forth, these are often considered the 2 weakest fingers. At least many pianists find that, back and forth between finger 4 and 5 isn't necessarily the most comfortable. So this is going to give you lots of practice with that finger 5 and 4. So make sure you're playing it near the tip, not karate chop style. You want to keep that finger 5 near the tip. The right hand's going to exercise that 4 and 5 on the way up, but then in descending, now it's the left hand that gets that 5-4 workout. Don't forget, this pattern now reverses going down. Right hand is 5-2-1, left hand is 1-3-5, with the 4th on top, the 3rd on the bottom. Again, with the left hand, make sure your pinky's playing near the tip, not flat karate chop style. You'll get the most benefit from Hanon if you're using great piano posture, fingers in the correct shape, using arm weight, flexible wrist. And then don't forget about the fast tools. We've got fast 4s as a tool for practicing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's called fast 4s, and then long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, and then switch long, short with short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long. You've got to alternate long, short with short, long the next time you play through. And then, of course, the metronome. Turn on your metronome, find a speed you're comfortable, and then gradually push yourself, until you can do the whole thing at a fast, fun tempo. So pause the video now and play through Hanon number 11 on your own, and then press play to go on. One other way you can challenge yourself with Hanon is to transpose it, like what if we did it in the key of G? Notice now, anytime I get to an F, I pretend the F is hot lava and make it an F sharp. Or you could do an even more challenging key, like how about A major? So now C, F, and G are all hot lava, and they all become sharp. That's a real fun challenge. So you can try any key, transpose Hanon for extra practice. Can you do it in B flat? So now B and E are hot lava, they both become flat. Okay, this is a great way to challenge yourself musically. Great work learning how to play Hanon's exercise number 11 from the Virtuoso Pianist. Thanks for watching and learning with me, and happy practicing.
Tired of using the same old fast tools to try and get faster fingers? You need the Fast-O-Matic 3000! Simply strap the device on your fingers, or in my case, finger, turn it on, and watch your fingers fly. Whoa! I'm feeling faster already! Using our patented state-of-the-art technology, the Fast-O-Matic 3000 sends tiny electrical pulses to the muscles of your fingers, increasing their speed by up to 400%.
Now I can play even faster than Mr. Hoffman!
We love Fast-O-Matic 3000! Squawk! Who invited the parrot? I don't know.
But hurry, the Fast-O-Matic is on sale now for just $199.99. If you call today, this legendary device can be yours for just $199.99. Terms and conditions apply. Fast-O-Matic is not guaranteed to work in the following states and territories.